See me see every time I walk the street. Drummers in a tire when you gotta get
All right, you guys, so when it comes to doing your makeup in the Caribbean or in any environment where it's really, really hot, I like to start with my brows first because that usually helps me to wear less makeup, because once my eyebrows are done, I'm like, okay, my face don't look so bad. Let me just go ahead and do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It really just helps me to change my perspective. Sometimes applying lashes also helps. So basically I just go in and I do my eyebrows and then I highlight my eyebrows with a little bit of Caramel Fresh from Fashion Fair. After my eyebrows, I'm moving on to some primer to help prep my skin, get my skin nice and hydrated and lush looking, and then I'll go in with a little bit of a pore filling primer to smooth everything out. First, going in with Sepia from Fashion Fair. I'm going to apply that all over my face. I'm a little bit darker than usual and I'm showing my body skin, so of course I'm going to go in and replicate that in my face. And you guys know I like to keep the darker color around the edge, and then I go in with my center color. This is going to create dimension and make your face look more natural. Alright, so I'm going in my under eye area and around my mouth, and I'm using my center color and I'm helping to pop the center of my face and of course bring dimension and making sure to really blend that in and then blend out the edges, keeping it soft and natural and beautiful. Following that step, I'm going in with color corrector. Yes, I do my color corrector after my foundation and concealer so it can take care of the residual darkness. It helps me to use less product and it makes my makeup look more natural. After every step, I go in and I blend it out. So now I'm going to apply a little bit more of my highlighting concealer over top my color corrector just to balance everything out and to bring a little bit of brightness to the center of my face, making sure everything is blended out and gorgeous as always. So now I'm going in with Ebony Goddess and I'm using that as my contour and my bronzer type of vibe. I'm just bringing back the hollows to my face, bringing my cheekbones back. Sometimes applying foundation can make your face flat and you want to make sure that you bring back all your dimension and all your curves and all your she acting up, all your contours. So you definitely always want to go in and set everything in place, especially in a humid environment. Going in with a little bit of a powder bronzer, I'm bringing back the life from the powder in just a little bit. I know you guys see this as a lot of steps, but it's a lot of steps in a tiny bit of product. Each tiny bit of product really makes a difference. Okay, and contouring and bringing shadow around my nose because I brought it around my face and I want everything to be continuous. It's all for continuity. Now going in with my lashes, since my face is kind of simple, I'm going to go ahead and apply some large lashes, some lip liner, and then the lipstick that I'm wearing, I believe is also called Sepia from fashionfair.com. Make sure you use my code. Going in the center of my lip with a little bit of foundation. Honey, it's all about your base and then your center color when it comes to dimension. Just making sure to blend everything out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
She wants see wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than bad man.